na wewe ndo unanifaa.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is V Morgan and I love creating content about beauty, skincare, lifestyle and fashion. For returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support, and if you're new here, please watch until the very end. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. So today I'm doing a video about skincare, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I take care of my skin, how I wash it and what I apply on my skin. I usually have like a lot of different products that I use, but right now I just have a few and they still do wonders to my skin. So my skin was looking like this. As you can see, it was very bad. I had pimples. From pimples I started having dark spots, started looking like this, and it's just been like 2 weeks since I started taking care of my skin. I used different products for some like a period of time, you know. The products that are good for my skin are very expensive, and most times people don't manage to take care of their skin because the products that are good for them are expensive, but they're also affordable products that you can use that are good for your skin. And most of the products I have are affordable. Most of them that I have right now are very affordable, and they are what's good for my skin. Before you start taking care of your skin, you need to find out what is good, what products, ingredients are good for your skin, what type of skin that you have, because not all products are going to be good for you. They can be good for another person, but not for you because of different skins. Let's get into it. For body wash, I use Fair and White. Actually, for all my products, I use Fair and White, but I didn't manage to buy like the whole set because it's very expensive and I'm going to afford it right now. Yeah, so I just bought the body wash. I use products with glutathione, and it has glutathione and vitamin C in it. I'm just using this for my face because I am more sensitive on my face than the other body. For the body, I'm using White body wash. It also has glutathione, there's collagen, there's vitamin C and vitamin E in this one. I use this for my body. So to finish, I need a new one. For scrub, I use the Fair and White, the same Fair and White original scrub, but I don't have it right now, so I'm using the bamboo charcoal scrub. And then I also use Dove bar soap. This is the Dove bar soap. I also use it for my face together with the shower gel and the scrub. So let me show you how I do all of this. So I start with scrubbing my face. I just use like a little of the bamboo scrub, bamboo charcoal scrub, like that. And then I start scrubbing gently on my skin. You have to be very gentle with your skin. So scrubbing is good because you are going to remove all the dead skin on your skin, and you're going to open up your pores so that when you use the other products, it will be easier for them to enter your skin and do what they're supposed to do. You don't have to scrub every day, only scrub twice or 3 times depending with the product that you're using. Like most times you just scrub twice a week, and that is all. So after scrubbing, I let it sit on my face for 5 minutes before washing it off. I needed to leave it there so it can relax on the skin and, you know, do the deeds. After 5 minutes, I wipe it out of my face. I don't wash it directly using water. I use wipes. Like I said, I have a very sensitive skin, so I have like a very crazy skincare routine. If you don't have a sensitive skin, you just go straight ahead and wash your face. But for me, I do this so that I remove the stones. After I remove the stones, that's when I wash my face. Okay, after washing my face, that's when I'm going to use the Dove bar soap. just like that, gently on my skin. After you do that, and then sit on my face for a minute, then I wash it off. Okay, time to wash. After rinsing, I wipe my skin gently. Then after that, that's when I use my Fair and White body wash. I love you, babe. Okay, I also let it sit on my face and relax for a minute before I wash it off. Now let's wash it off. This is my skin after washing. This is how it looks like. Okay, so it's not perfect yet, but this is the difference in just 2 weeks from the pictures that I'm showing you. So that means the products are working, the products are good for my skin, you know, slowly but surely it is working and my skin looks so much better than it was, you know, 2 weeks ago. So after my skin dries, I start with Good White serum. Just need a little, that was too much. Okay, so after I'm done with the Good White serum, I use the vitamin C oil together with the Fair and White Original face cream. So I have an oily skin, so using the oil alone is not good for my skin. My skin will become nice, but it will be like too oily because I have an oily skin. So I mix these two. I mix them because this Fair and White face cream is very dry, like really dry on the skin. Yeah, so when I mix them, it blends so well on my skin. So I'll get just a little, goes a long way, of Fair and White cream. It's dry, like it's really dry. When you just apply it alone on the skin, your skin will be very dry. Then I add a little of the oil, mix it together and apply on my skin gently. And with the Fair and White cream, face cream, you have to be very patient because it becomes like white on your skin. You just have to continue applying it nicely, gently. So this is my skin after I am done. And now I also have to take care of my lips. Don't just take care of your skin, also take care of your lips. I use this gloss, it's really cute, really cute. Just like that, and just like that. See how I look cute. So that's it for my skincare routine. Like I said, I get to use like a lot of different products. I'll show you guys later when I buy them. But for now, this is what I'm using and my skin has improved so much. Remember, products that somebody else is using, they might be good for their skin, but they might be good for you because you have different skin types. And I'll be making a video explaining about the skin types, know which type of skin that you have, know which products you're supposed to use, products you're supposed to avoid. I'll make a video explaining about that, so make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and continue watching my videos. Thank you so much, and bye.